3, 2, 1.
Wait, where'd it go? Where did it go? Oh, there it is. There it is. Like this.
Alright, let's see where the wind's going.
Oh, it's funny. Alright, where's it falling? There you go. All the way over.
Alright, you got your compass out?
It's out. It's out.
That's not too far.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's way up there. Okay, got a streamer. Oh, there, I lost it. Here we go. He's coming down.
Oh, that's good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well.
Uh-oh. Come on, shoot. Shoot got stuck.
Oh, it's just falling, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, there's the chute. There we go.
Oh,
Woo.
yes. Yeah, over here, over the side of the fence.
Come on back to us.
Oh, that's nice. That's so graceful. Look at that.
Boop.
And the bright color.
5,
Right.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Very good. All right, let's see what it comes back. Oh, nice. Right back to the launcher. Put on the wrong side of the fence.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I can not see it. Oh, there we go. Come on, focus. I lost it again. There it is.
And you made it brown.
May not have been the wisest decision. All right, get your compass out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There it is. Nice and close.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shoot.
Floppy shoot. Come on, shoot. It's coming.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Do you want me to hook yours up?
Okay, where's the chute? We do not have a chute.
Hey!
There's a chute. Actually, I should have had one of you time this. That chute's fouled. We may not get 50 seconds out of this.
Please don't be in the pond.
That would not be good. Man, you're supposed to drift back here like all the other ones did.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Well,
There it is. And fairly close.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I only put a half A in mine, so it's not going as far. And
4, 3, 2, 1.
game over, dude. Right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Way up there.
Alright, where is it?
Coming down. Let's see if I can zoom in any. Every time I zoom in, it goes out of focus. Coming down, coming down, coming down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got eyes on it?
Yep.
Oh, there it is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Way up there. Okay, we got a streamer. I think your nose may have separated though.